cafe-style espresso everywhere you go. Introducing the Leverpresso. Leverpresso is a portable espresso maker. It produces up to 9 bars of pressure without using electricity. With minimal force, pressure is evenly distributed, allowing you to get consistent, flavorful espresso every time. You can make espresso in your home, office, or anywhere. All you need is hot water, coffee, and 3 minutes. The Leverpresso makes 2 shots of espresso for on the go or in your own cup. Use these shots to make your favorite coffee drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. The Leverpresso lets you control the brewing process, so you can extract the full flavor from your coffee beans. Enjoy coffee the way you want to. No lines, no baristas, just good coffee. Leverpresso, the perfect portable espresso maker. Enjoy real espresso made with 9 bar pressure everywhere.